So hey guys, today I'll be showing you the AMG digital cluster which has been converted. I mean the C300D, which has a regular instrument cluster, has been converted to AMG instrument cluster. So you can do the AMG instrument cluster if you wanted. It might be MBUX or NTG 5.5, 5 or E-class, S-class, whatever, you can get it done. So if you see very clearly, first thing I want to tell you, this 260 whatever was there, it would be here for the diesel engine. This is the C300D C class, I mean C class W205, and you can see the RPM. This 6000 will be here. It would be in the 8 side, that 6000 RPM would be in the 8000 RPM side. So if you convert the AMG, if you convert to the AMG instrument cluster, it would look like this. You have one more option also called as 360 km per hour. Here you will get 360 km per hour. So it depends on if your vehicle is actually AMG, you can go to 360, or else the 330 will be the last. So you need to know some things in this, like the G meter, whatever is there, the G force meter will not work because you won't be having the G force meter. But you can use the regular G meter which is there in this car. So we'll start the car because some functions will not turn on. So you can see this is the full cluster. Now let's try the AMG performance. This is the AMG performance you get normally for the car, like boost control, or what is a boost, or what are the things on off. So you get the lap timer. Lap timer works. You can you can make a new lap timer or whatever. Okay, you can whatever, you can do it, and you can just see the boost, whatever it shows, how much HP, how much Newton meter it's taking when you are driving the car. So this is the regular assistance, servicing, the trip meter, navigation, radio, media, telephone, etc. So this design, what you get, see, you get three things. You don't get the progressive mode. The progressive mode will be remote. So you will be getting the super sport, sport and classic. So this whatever is there, it's in sport. We'll just go a little bit more. So this is the section you have the more info, like you get the gears here. I mean, this is the plain one, you don't get any gears. In the second one you get gear here, like for example you can see it shows the gear. So the third one is as usual boost and the Newton meter, whatever it is consuming. Tire pressure will work. You just need to drive, then it will show there itself. The G force meter, which works, navigation, the eco, this one, these things are normal, which you already have. So if you go to classic, the classic looks something like this, normal, same as sport, but you can you just can keep like this if you want. But who's going to use these two things? You are going to use the super sport mode. So if you're using super sport, even the both side changes. So now let's see the super sport section. See the super sport section, you just go back. Whichever things you need, you have to put here. Like for example, if you need the trip part like this to keep, to know your range or something, okay, you can do it like this. And this side will be all the this is the regular day and time, day and date will be just showing you. and this is just a normal blank screen if you don't want anything. This is the boost and the horsepower which I was talking about, and this is the tire pressure monitoring system. Sorry. So this is the regular, again a blank screen if you don't want the dash there. This is the navigation, which navigation will be working here. Eco display starts this one, your range or whatever, but preferably we keep this one here and we keep this one here, range, so that it will be full and we can know the range and we can know the tire pressure, whatever is when you're driving, and you can do whatever. I mean, the dash will be using like this. So this is a cool dash if you want. And I think here also you will be having an option called Super Sport. So I just made settings like this. You can see Super Sport, Sport Classic. You can just make it like that if you want, or you can just go to settings and then go to system. You can go to display and styles, design, and you can see your Sport Plus, I mean Super Sport, your regular Sport, and Classic. So this is the pretty much that much regarding this AMG cluster. You can activate for any car you want, for any car, whatever a Mercedes-Benz you have, we can activate this for you. And yeah, that's it guys. We'll be talking about the next video regarding the ambient light. See you guys. Bye bye.